Featherboards are an essential component in every woodshop. They snugly press our stock against the fence to maintain a straight and true cut at the table saw, router table, and bandsaw. And they greatly contribute to shop safety and quality of cut, holding the wood so that you can concentrate on cutting in the safest manner possible. Featherboards come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and configurations. Here are just some of the models that are available. They come in three main styles. The first has rigid molded plastic fingers. The second has soft and flexible foam fingers. And the third has a flexible rubber blade. Rigid fingers are great when running the edge of a board against the fence. Adding a little flex into their grip goes a long way towards ensuring a tight fit and will keep your stock reliably positioned for your cut. Flexible fingers can be a major boon with soft woods that could dent or mar easily, and are ideal for downward pressure onto the dress face of your wood. The boon to these fingers is that they are particularly good at eliminating kickback. The flex action dominantly goes in the infeed direction, and they strongly resist the wood backing out. And the fingers are often replaceable if they become worn or damaged. The third main type features a flexible rubber blade. These featherboards excel when taking vertical cuts, such as resawing at the bandsaw. They provide full support of your stock against the fence and do a fantastic job of helping you take straight, smooth slices of your lumber. And like the flexible fingers on the smaller featherboards, the blade is also adept at eliminating kickback. Depending on the manufacturer, the blade may also be replaceable. Featherboards will help you take woodworking life into a safer and more reliable direction. Pick the finger style that suits your needs and use them often. Your results will speak for themselves.